We have the different combinations of laptops and mobile phones that Xanadu can produce. The maximum they can produce is depicted by the production possibility curve. We can see we have different output combinations. For instance, point B represents 4,000 laptops and 10,000 mobile phones, whereas point E represents 1,000 laptops being produced by Xanadu, while they can produce 28,000 mobile phones. And we can choose any output combination on the production possibilities curve. But what is important, if we go to a different output combination, it involves a certain cost. For instance, let's start at point F. How many laptops do we produce if we're at point F? Well, laptops are measured on the vertical axis. So at point F, we don't produce any laptops, and all the production goes into production of mobile phones, and we produce 30,000 mobile phones. Now, let's say we want to produce laptops as well. In other words, we want to produce at least 1,000 laptops. In other words, we want to go to point E. But in reallocating inputs from mobile phones to laptops, we have to give up a certain amount of mobile phones. So to gain 1,000 laptops, we have to give up 2,000 mobile phones. You can also say the opportunity cost of producing 1,000 laptops is 2,000 mobile phones. Similarly, if we move from point C to point B, now at point C, production of laptops 3,000, mobile phones 18,000. Now we want to increase production of laptops to point B, another 1,000, but now again we have to give up a certain amount of mobile phones. In moving from point C, where we produce 18,000 laptops, to point B, where we produce 18,000 mobile phones, to point B, where we produce only 10,000, we have to give up 8,000. So to gain 1,000 laptops there, we have to give up 8,000 mobile phones. If we move from B to A, another 1,000, we have to give up 10,000. You might have noticed, as we move along the production possibilities curve, as we produce more and more laptops, we have to give up more and more mobile phones. Moving from point F to E, 2,000. From point C to B, we have to give up 8,000. If we move from B to A, 10,000. So the opportunity cost of producing more laptops increases in terms of the mobile phones that we had to give up.